Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the 8119 in Dallas, Texas, actually in Highland Park, Texas. We've seen the living room and the bathroom, and the kitchen. Now we're about to go see the bedrooms and the bathrooms. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and if you'd like to set up a free virtual tour, that's a live virtual tour, send me a text as well. Let's go explore the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very big. You can see all the light here. It's very pretty. I love the essentially floor to ceiling windows. Just gorgeous. Lots of space in here. That is a king bed. Could easily be, sorry, it's a queen bed. It could easily be a king bed. Very beautiful. The floor is a real high quality luxury vinyl. Love all the views that you have here. This is just gorgeous. I love the really beautiful white paint that's here too. It's really nice because it's kind of an off-white, almost parchment here a little bit, and then the super white accent is so beautiful. I also love here, this is a gorgeous bathroom. Look at how big this sink is. It's just gorgeous. I also love the very pretty lighting that's contrasting in the mirrors. It's just delightful. Here is the shower and the tub, what it looks like. Very pretty. And then this is the closet. So the closet has a lot of space. This is alpha type shelving, and this is quite a bit. This is walk-in, and there is a lot of space here. So this is the beautiful bedroom here. Let's go to the second bedroom. So this would be the secondary bedroom, and it's over here. It's beautiful as well. Now that is a king bed, so this space is also just delightful. You can see too, it's got a recessed kind of a shorter ceiling there. And then it has an open view of this wonderful balcony that's here. This is the floor to ceiling windows, pretty much in here too. Yeah, it really is. So it's just gorgeous. And then inside this bathroom, it is dual sink. So delightful dual sink bathroom. This also has a really nice stand-up shower. So it's got that, and then it's got a nice separated bathtub as well. You walk into the closet here, and this is bigger. This is a gorgeous big size. It's got lots of shelving as well, really pretty, and some really pretty flooring in here too. By the way, there's no carpet in here. It's all luxury vinyl or tile. So it's a very pretty look in here. Hey, if you have questions of anything that you're seeing at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. I look forward to hearing from you. I can set up a virtual live tour also as early as today, or an in-person tour as early as today as well.